If you want to wipe all data by using recovery mode on the Redmi Note 14 Pro, first of all you will have to power off your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, and then you will have to use two buttons, power key and the volume up button. So first of all, click and hold power key and then click and hold volume up button. When the Mi logo appears, release power key, but keep holding the volume up button, just like this. Now you have to scroll into wipe data. With volume down button, click power key to select. Scroll with the volume down button and select wipe all data by using power key. Now scroll again, select confirm, and here you can find the reset process. After a few moments, you will get information that it removed all data. And now click power key, then select reboot with power key, select reboot to system by power key, and after a few moments your phone will be turned on and you can set up your device.